Okay. Okay. Hi, Chiranjit.
Hello.
And hi. And do you both want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, why not? Why not? Yes. Okay. My name is Chiranjit Singh, and I am an actuary working in a company in London. And I have been working in this company from last 13 years.
Wow.
Hi, my name's Preet and I am qualified dietitian here in the UK. Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you so much for taking out time. And I'm going to ask few questions. And since you both are the platinum members, and in fact, Jeet, you are one of the first few members who joined platinum, by the way.
Yes.
So thank you so much for your trust. And so I'm going to ask a few of questions which where I just want you to answer whatever comes from your heart. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
First question is, when did you join Mitesh Khatri? How do you know Mitesh Khatri?
Well, I watched some of his videos on YouTube long back actually.
Okay.
And uh, it was, I think he used to do some free classes at his home, and that class was done in some hotel or some, not at his home, but he put that on YouTube, and it was, I think, 3 hours or something. It was quite long session. And that session I watched, I think, two year back or 3 year back, so something. Romi madam, I think, is one of Mitesh fan, and
Fan.
she,
Raving
yeah,
fan.
yeah, he introduced me to that. After that, I started doing manifestation, but not very regularly, frankly. But I and then I forgot about all that, watching that video, and suddenly she again sent me a video about Mitesh DCS class.
That's right.
And then I joined that. I think it was late March or early April or something like that. I don't remember. Yeah. So I joined that.
Perfect.
So that's
Perfect. And did you know about Mitesh, or dad just introduced you to Mitesh?
So I only found out about it because of my dad. So when he started watching a lot of his videos, he started sharing some of the knowledge. And then I joined the free LOA lessons workshop, yeah. But also the course that Mitesh sir does as well on the free LOA. So that was something that I started watching. And then I also attended 2 of the Saturday classes that sir does, which like people say 9 a.m. is too early in India. We had to get up at 4 a.m. to be able to do that. So no, I don't think anyone has any excuses in India not to, not to attend those.
And it was worth it. She was so happy. In the morning, she was asking, I will only attend if I get XXY amount or item from you. And after the session, she was saying, I'm so happy. I don't want enough from the session.
You were blackmailing, huh?
Not blackmailing. It was a transaction, you know.
That's fine. Okay. If I may ask, what are the 3 benefits you have already got from Mitesh's program, other than she attending the program?
Yeah. Well, first thing I would say, as a member, we get a daily manifestation practice.
Yes.
And although because of time difference between UK and India, I am most of the days I'm not able to attend online when Mitesh is actually doing. But because he put the recording in our area, in usually evening, we whole family do it together, and he puts lot of energy into that session. I am really loving that. 2 things: we don't miss any day because of that, because we know that we have to do it. And second thing is, because we are adding more energy to that, so I feel our manifestation would have more energy, and it would take less time to get it manifested because of his guidance. That's one benefit. Second benefit is, I'm also I started doing leadership course, which is now part of our membership. But in leadership course also, I've learned so many things, and some of the sessions were really eye-opener for me. I can't discuss all that course material here, but it was really brilliant, and I'm applying that to my personal life as well as my professional life.
Perfect. Do you want to
Yeah,
add?
sorry.
Do you want to add anything?
Yes, definitely. I think for me, probably one of the biggest benefits is that, Mitesh sir always tries to encourage you to believe in yourself. Like in one of the things that we do in manifestation every day is like, we say to ourselves that we have everything within us, and it's just a matter of kind of being able to access it. And I think that's brilliant because it gives you it's like a superpower, we all have that superpower, and it's just remembering that and being able to kind of harness it. So that self-confidence is probably the biggest thing for me.
Wow, amazing. That's nice. Okay, and do you want to see any improvement in terms of delivery? Any course you think is missing in the Platinum you want him to add?
Yes, I definitely am waiting for NLP.
And starting in
Yeah.
September. Yes.
Yeah, he told, and you also told that he's going to start that soon. And we also are aware that he's also bringing health mastery. I'm quite healthy person.
I know, I saw your BMI report.
But I always think of the ways to improve my health as well as my family's health. My daughter is being dietitian. She guides us what to eat, what not to eat. But still, there are always a room for improvement. So
Right.
I'm looking forward to at least these 2 sessions plus one more thing.
Yeah, personally for me, like of course the health will be quite interesting, because as my dad said, there's always something new you can learn, and it's about being open to that knowledge as well. I think also for me, sir mentioned that he might be thinking about putting some Vastu stuff
Yes,
in, which
he will.
would be
Yeah.
I think eventually when you guys do that course, that would be really amazing as well, because
It's
that's
actually,
always
you can blame it on me. For Vastu, I have to accompany him, and
Right.
I'm not giving him the slot to record it, but we'll do that. On wealth, I don't know if you know this, starting coming Saturday, we are doing live program on wealth.
Oh,
Yes,
fantastic.
he told me.
Yeah.
So do
We will
join that.
definitely be joining. Yeah.
Yeah, it will be completely live. We are kind of restarting the wealth program. Recordings will be there. We are not touching the recording, but we are starting the live wealth program. So you'll have live experience of it.
Yeah. Amazing.
Great.
Perfect. Would you recommend Platinum membership to others?
Oh, I would say if a person would like to go into developing themselves or changing their view towards their own life, or towards the way they deal with their customers, etc., and if they are into job, how they deal with their manager or their subordinate, all these courses will definitely help that individual person. Definitely, I would say yes.
Perfect.
I think from like my perspective, it's something that Mitesh sir said in one of his videos. He said that कोई खुद को धक्का नहीं दे सकते, धक्का देने के लिए कोई पीछे होना चाहिए मारने के लिए. And I think what's also really humbling as well is that even you guys are still getting training. You have your own people to push you as well. So it's really amazing that it's like everyone needs kind of someone, and even from like a health, one of the things as a dietitian that I know is one of the reasons that people tend to start to gain weight back when they've lost it is because they don't have anyone they're accountable to. So this kind of accountability that Platinum membership can give you, because you have these 10 sessions with you guys, and of course the new courses that are coming up and all the support calls that you're always doing, it gives you that accountability that I think everyone needs. And it's like if you don't set a deadline for yourself, you're never going to get something done. So I think that's really good.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'll stop
Thank you.
recording, and
Okay.
I will now